Can everyone raise up your hand? Raise up your hand, everyone. Okay, go in. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wa yashur alaina min
Min
khazaini
khazaini rahmatika
rahmatika
ya.
ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Amin ya rabbal alamin. Thank you, Koyin. Good job. Okay, so for our class today, inshallah, we are going to continue with topic photosynthesis. Actually, teacher have a video to share with you guys, but we'll try first because just now I'm lagging, right? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry because whenever it's raining, the internet connection will go bad. But hopefully, you guys can watch the video. Wait, teacher will try to share my screen.
Teacher, I can give that because now I'm open seesaw.
Huh?
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher nak upload recorded video ni kat YouTube ke?
Yes.
Kenapa teacher dah record?
React in the presence of
It's okay. It's okay.
Copyright macam mana?
to form carbohydrate.
It's okay. It's okay.
The carbohydrate
If because usually,
starch.
Amin, microphone off. It's okay. It's okay. Teacher will show here. Teacher will show here first. Okay. Alright. Let's say we'll try first. Let's say if it's not working, if you couldn't hear the sound, if you couldn't see the video, you can watch in the seesaw. Teacher already included in seesaw. Okay. We try first. Okay.
Can I do like this? When you want to start the video, I look at seesaw like that. Can I?
Can. But now can you guys see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's try the sound. Okay, teacher will play. Let's try.
After reaching to the lid, carbon dioxide.
Can hear? Can hear? Can hear or not?
Boleh lah.
Okay. Microphone off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do not turn it on unless if teacher call your name. If I ask you a question. Okay. It's okay. If you cannot hear them, teacher already included in seesaw. You can watch later. Okay. All right.
The carbohydrate ultimately converted into the starch.
All right. So if you can see here on your screen, all right, we have the sunlight here and also the blue arrow, 3 blue arrow, okay, is showing you the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, the one that we exhale when we breathe out, all right, plant will take our carbon dioxide, all right. So plant needs carbon dioxide and also sunlight to make their own food.
Stored in the different parts of the plants. Therefore, the first food product is formed during the photosynthesis is starch. Starch is also an example of carbohydrate.
Okay. In most of the video that teacher show you, they mention the product of photosynthesis can be carbohydrate. The product of photosynthesis can be starch. The product of photosynthesis can be glucose. Later teacher will tell you what are the differences between these three things: carbohydrate, starch, and glucose. What are the differences? I'll tell you later.
In this process, oxygen is also released. Therefore, the process of photosynthesis can be represented as.
Okay, look at this. The carbon dioxide will go, all right, will go to the leaf, all right. Why? Because leaf is the part of plant that will make food. If our house, where do we make our food? At the kitchen. At the kitchen. You didn't cook inside your bedroom, okay? So same goes to the plant. Where do they make food? They make food at the leaf. Right. So they will absorb sunlight, carbon dioxide, and also water that the root get for them. All right. They will make food at the leaf. And the product for photosynthesis will be oxygen and also glucose. Glucose or starch or carbohydrate. Basically, carbohydrate, starch, and glucose is the similar thing. is similar, but their form is different. Bentuk, their form is different, but they are basically the same thing. Later teacher will show you.
Carbon dioxide plus water.
Okay, carbon dioxide plus water, okay, with the help of chlorophyll and also sunlight, will produce carbohydrate or starch or glucose and oxygen. But the easiest way for you to remember, just remember, product of photosynthesis is two, glucose and oxygen. For answer, all right, for answer in exam, all right, or when teacher asks you, what is the product of photosynthesis? Okay, please, you can answer teacher glucose and oxygen. Oxygen is a must. Oxygen is a must, okay? That's why we said we and plant need each other. Why? Because we give them carbon dioxide, they will give us oxygen. We need each other. Same goes to animal. Animal will give carbon dioxide to the plant, right? Plant will give out oxygen. The animal will take them. We human will take the oxygen as well. Okay? Why plant need to make photosynthesis? If we human, why we need to eat? For us to grow taller, to grow healthier. So same goes to the plant. They need to grow taller. They need to grow healthily. Alright, that's why they need to eat. That's why they need to make food. So process where they make food is photosynthesis. Okay, wait. Okay, Francine. Okay. So remember, for product of photosynthesis, remember two, glucose and oxygen. Glucose and oxygen. Alright? So this is the equation. What is photosynthesis equation? This one. For those who joined our previous class, you have it in your practical book, science practical book. For those who did not join, it's okay. Watch the recorded video. Please watch the recorded video. Okay? Alright. So just now, I told you that I will explain about starch, glucose, and also carbohydrate. Who remember the one that teacher explained in previous class? Who remember when teacher told you what is the differences between carbohydrate, starch, and glucose? What is the differences?
Don't remember.
Glucose is the simple what? Simple sugar. Good job. Correct. Ahmed, is that your mom? Ahmed?
Yes.
Ahmed, later you need to do revision with your mom. Because teacher asked you question, but your mom will answer them. Okay. Alright. Ahmed said thank you to your mom. Alright. So carbohydrate, in last class, teacher already mentioned. Okay, for we human, when we eat noodles, when we eat rice, that one is our source of carbohydrate. What else? What else is the source of carbohydrate? Do you remember? We learned in primary 3. Source of carbohydrate.
What, teacher?
Source of carbohydrate. Rice, noodles, what else?
Rice, noodles, bread.
Bread, correct. Correct, Zafif. Bread, correct. Bread, rice, noodles, your pasta. That all of them, all of them is the example of carbohydrate. Okay, that's why, all right, that's why people say that don't eat too much rice. Don't eat too much rice. When you eat too much rice, when you eat more than what your body need, you will become fat. Why? Because
super fat, teacher. Macam
why, Safia? Why?
Gemuk. Jadi gemuk.
Yes, why you jadi gemuk?
So you will eat more than your body needs to eat.
We eat a lot.
Okay, eat a lot. Okay, good job. Thank you, everyone. Okay, now, can you show teacher thumbs up if you can see my screen? Can you show teacher thumbs up? Yes? Okay, all right. So now, this one is the plate of rice, all right? Rice. So let's say you eat a bowl of noodles or
It looks like
spaghetti.
an alien.
Alien, yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
That looks like an alien
So
face.
you eat rice with fried chicken. Okay. Then what else? Zafir said just now, bread. Okay, bread is example of
Wheat,
uh
grapes,
carbo.
vegetable, carrot.
Ah,
Chocolate.
carbohydrate,
Kena buat dalam buku.
carbohydrate. Okay.
Noodle.
So this one is example. Microphone off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you, everyone. Okay, this one is carbohydrate. Alright. When this carbohydrate, wait, your friend is requesting to join. Aman.
Teacher. Kita
Jaden.
teacher practical book.
Huh?
Kita kena terus kat practical book ke teacher?
No. This one just look at your screen, listen to teacher, okay? Try to understand them. Okay. When you eat carbohydrate, alright, when the carbohydrate go inside your mouth, teacher will draw here your mouth.
Teacher
Okay.
like this.
Your mouth, when your rice go inside your mouth, okay, it will go through your esophagus. This one we learn in primary 3. If you told teacher, I haven't learned this one. Make sure you check your primary 3 book or recorded video of primary 3. Alright, this one we learn in primary 3. When your carbohydrate, when your rice go inside your body will break down, make it smaller. Alright, so the smallest form of carbohydrate is glucose. Glucose. That's why we call glucose as the simple sugar. We call glucose as simple sugar because this one example, it doesn't look like this in real life, but teacher will give you example. Okay, this carbohydrate is this big, right? When they go inside your body will break down, make it smaller. Alright. Then the enzyme in your body will break down your carbohydrate. Alright. Then the smallest form of your carbohydrate is glucose. This one is glucose. That's why we call them as simple sugar. Alright, that is smallest form. Okay, the simplest form of carbohydrate. So basically, carbohydrate and glucose is the same thing. They are same thing, but the size is different. The form is different. Alright? So far, can you understand about glucose? Can you show teacher thumbs up? Yes. Okay. So
I type glucose in the search bar, and then
glucose is what, Zara?
and then I type glucose in search bar, but I cannot see the. But I cannot see.
You cannot see what? Zara, can you type in the chat box because teacher couldn't really understand you. Can you type in the chat box? She will try to answer. Type in the chat box, please. Okay. So, if teacher asks you what is glucose, so you can answer teacher. Glucose is simple
sugar.
Simple what? Simple sugar. Simple sugar. So, simple sugar. So this plant, alright, when they make food, they use glucose and what gas? Plant will produce? Carbon dioxide produce.
Teacher, you are lagging.
Carbon dioxide. Plant produce carbon dioxide.
Oxygen.
Plant produce oxygen. They need carbon dioxide, but they produce oxygen. Okay.
It didn't show the picture of the super. It just show about the.
Zara, teacher cannot understand you. Can you type in the chat box, Zara? Okay. So,
Zara dah type dalam chat box.
already typed because teacher couldn't see in my chat box. Okay, teacher will check later. Alright, everyone. here, teacher have activity. You guys can see my screen, right? This one. Okay, for photosynthesis topic, ya Allah, topic, okay. Photosynthesis, first box is what you know, okay. What you know about this topic. Microphone off, listen to teacher
Teacher, I
first.
don't see teacher.
Cannot
I don't
see?
see. I can't see. I can't see this teacher one.
Screen is like
Yeah, I cannot see. I only
Lagging.
see.
Okay, okay.
I can't see the screen.
Okay, it's okay. Later teacher will share with you the link. You can type. You can type in that page right away. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Try to present one more time. Okay. Wait for a while. That's why. Teacher. Wait. Teacher will try to present again.
when present it use a lot of internet.
I love the weather when it's raining because it's cold. Teacher love cold weather, but the internet connection here will go bad. So teacher don't really like it. Okay, can you show teacher thumbs up? Can you show teacher thumbs up if you can see my screen?
Teacher, I need coal.
Can see or not? Everyone can see. Yes. Cannot see.
I can see.
Oh no. Can okay.
I can't
So this
see.
one
I can only see your name.
can only see my name. Okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Now I can see.
The A.
Okay, it's okay. Later teacher will send the link in chat box. Okay. This one. Alright, you have to write in the table. The first table, the green one, what you know. The orange one, okay, orange one, what you want to know about photosynthesis. The yellow one, what you learn. Means what you have learned with teacher about photosynthesis. You can write anything that you want, right? Anything that you want. Okay. Okay, teacher will try to send in the chat box the link. If you can open, okay, you can answer in the chat box. Do not turn on your microphone and say, teacher, I can.
Teacher, I already clicked the link, but I need access.
Yeah, me too, teacher.
Me too.
Access.
Me too, teacher.
Me too.
I need access, please.
Yeah, me too.
Me.
Okay, wait for a while.
Me too.
Me 3.
Yes, okay.
Me 100.
Not really,
100.
wait, so we'll grant the access.
I have cancer.
Last week, the first one to say it, and I'm second. Teacher?
Yes, wait. Yes?
You need to access, but it says message optional. I have to write a message just like that. I don't know what to do.
Who can open? Who can open?
I opened the
Who
website,
can
but it
open
says
the table?
access denied.
Access denied.
Hey, who can
Yes, for
open?
me, it's
Not
open.
open.
Denied.
Raise up your hand. Question.
Okay.
I cannot open.
Cannot open because
Me too.
Teacher,
Me 3.
what was the I wasn't finished.
look at my internet connection. Ya Allah, ya Tuhanku. Okay.
Ami, teacher.
Okay, one more time. One more time teacher will send to you. Okay. It's okay, everyone. Don't be panic. This is the first time we are doing this. So teacher, I'm trying the new way so that I can try understanding. Try to click the new. Try to click
Dan
the
teacher,
new.
ayo dia enter.
Okay.
I enter.
New link. Teacher already open. Teacher already, this one. Teacher already
I can enter
share
now.
with you guys. Can enter? Can?
Yes.
Yes. You can start writing. You can
Yes.
start writing. You can start writing. All right. The first column. What you know. What you know about photosynthesis. Just write anything. Try to write anything so that teacher can see you here. Try to write anything. So now we have
Teacher.
20 students.
Teacher,
Yes.
ni kat ni kan teacher practical book.
Huh?
Tell how to draw practical book kan?
Draw. Right, sayang. Right. Type.
Betul lah.
What you know about photosynthesis? What is
Teacher,
photosynthesis?
bantu saya teacher. Boleh
I on iPad. I don't
tulis ni dekat ni lah practical book.
Bukan practical book saya, Jada.
Dah ada kat chat.
Three something.
Teacher
Saya rindu teacher, saya rindu writing.
Teacher macam mana nak pakai?
Like
Teacher.
Rindu writing
Teacher
teacher.
macam mana nak tukar macam pensel sebab saya tak tahu.
Nak tukar pensel. Amir. You have to type, Amir. Type. Dia tak ada pensel. You have to type. Hi everyone. Kesian tak?
Teacher, but I use iPad. I cannot type.
Teacher, I already have science practical book.
Kenapa buat video? Kita orang tekan kat sini. Can type. I cannot type because you are controlling.
Who is this? Anonymous Chinchilla. Ni siapa? Ni here. Move your cursor here. Here.
Teacher, I don't know.
Initially can't. Teacher, I can't control it.
You can control.
I mean not control. I mean I can type anything. I type. Teacher, I can only view. I'm not allowed to edit.
Not allowed to edit?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Teacher, can you request edit to teacher?
Only let view. I already let everyone view it.
Cannot type.
Okay. One more time. New link.
Really?
Yeah. Wait.
Teacher, I cannot.
Okay, everyone. New link. Ready. Now file. Done. Click the link.
Mami, saya tak boleh. Kenapa saya tak boleh open link ni?
Oh my god, why is so weird?
Teacher, I cannot join the link because he said
There's so many anomalous animals.
Microphone on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. New link can click or not? Can join?
There's so many anomalous animals.
Teacher, cannot.
Must mean I can see a lot of people like anomalous.
Everyone, what is this? What is so many J? Astaghfirullah. This is what happen when you can. Don't edit my word. Right below. Astaghfirullahalazim.
Teacher, why?
Right below.
Teacher.
Jaden.
Teacher, I don't know what to do.
Because he said I'm error.
Teacher, somebody edit.
Jaden. Okay. Amir, wait for a while. Jaden. This link. So fun. Make sure you write what teacher asked you to write. Write what you know, what you want to know, and what you have learned before. Okay. Right.
Teacher, saya tak boleh write sebab saya masuk error.
Jaden. Okay, Jaden. Teacher will share one more time. Try to click the screen. Jaden, try to click the link. Adam and Afiq Shamil cannot join as well.
Teacher, I cannot open. He said
Aika.
an error with your files.
Jaden, you join with Riz. Keep pressing. Said there was an
I
error.
only have one account, teacher.
Okay, this one. Alright, this one. What you guys are doing here?
Teacher,
I ask you to write.
because everyone is typing, teacher.
Yeah.
Teacher.
Everyone is spamming.
Yes, that's what I say.
Oh, really?
I keep error je. Teacher, go down, go down. Teacher, semua orang dah kena error. Up.
Okay,
Oh
alright,
no,
it's
I got
okay.
erased.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, everyone, come back here. Come back to our class. Okay, teacher will.
Teacher, can you give the new link?
Alright, it's okay. This
Teacher.
one, I think this one is not working for you because you guys couldn't type according to the box, alright? So we're going to try. So we're going to try another way, okay?
I can't type.
Okay, so now all of you,
Just do that.
can you?
Teacher lag.
Bye.
Lag.
One that
Lag.
lag.
I wish I was.
Holy.
Kenapa? Hey, why is just now when we do it, everyone is like bam, Fanny.
Okay, alright. Okay, so just now teacher asked you to write what did you want to know, what did you understand in the box, okay? But you guys write the other thing. You didn't really answer what I'm asking you. Okay, so we are going to do it manually. Teacher do this because that day when I asked you to do in your practical book, okay, your friend asked teacher, can we use the other thing aside from our practical book? So I want to teach you how to express your idea in form of technology. But you are not used to it. You need more practice.
Teacher,
right?
I know technology.
So just now teacher share with you so that you can write your answer. But you couldn't follow what teacher asked you to do. All of you know how to use your Jamboard or not? Can you type in the chat box? Do not type.
Yes, I know how to use my
Chat box.
Yes.
Chat box.
S.
Maybe, I don't know. Yes, not sure.
Teacher, teacher, I know how to. Teacher, I'm using iPad.
You use iPad.
So I can
if Amir Jamboard, you can draw on Jamboard. Later teacher. Okay. Maybe teacher, I don't know. Okay. Alright. So teacher will show you. Teacher will show you first. Okay. I will show you. If you can use, listen to teacher. Listen to teacher. Listen to my instruction properly. Today, teacher want you to make a story about photosynthesis. That day Akil asked teacher, can I use Jamboard today? I will give you chance to use Jamboard. Later teacher will teach you how to download in form of PDF. Okay, Jamboard you can write, you can draw at the Jamboard. So today teacher want you to write the photosynthesis on Jamboard. Alright, on Jamboard. Okay, teacher will show you how. Okay. This is how you open your... Yes. Huh?
We have to download it, the app, or don't have the app?
No. It doesn't have the apps. Okay, this one is your Google account. Alright, click here, Google Apps. Click here.
Teacher, you are not present.
Teacher did not present.
Okay, now you are present. Akil's not present.
Akil is showing us his Jamboard. Okay. Akil, show your friend how to open Jamboard. Okay, there you go. Okay, one by one. Okay, slow. One more time. Okay, click the apps. Alright, the dot there. Click the Jamboard. Okay, click the Jamboard. Okay, if you know how to use your Jamboard, you can open your Jamboard. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, I know how to use Jamboard.
You know how to open. Okay, teacher will show you one more time.
Teacher, I don't have Jamboard, teacher. Teacher, I don't have
Okay.
Jam yet.
You don't have Jamboard. Okay, it's okay. Alright.
No,
Microphone
teacher,
off.
I
5,
have
4,
Teacher, let me present.
3, 2, 1. Okay. If you don't have Jamboard or if you don't know how to open, you can do in your practical book. Okay, you can do in your practical book. If you know how to use Jamboard, you can do in Jamboard. Today, teacher will give you freedom for you to express what you know about photosynthesis. Alright? I will give you freedom today.
Everyone don't have Jamboard.
Okay, microphone off first. Listen to teacher. If you want to use Jamboard, you can use Jamboard. If you don't want to use, you don't know how, just use your practical book. Okay, alright. I will show you the screen. Wait for a while.
Teacher, I have Jamboard, but when I click the Jamboard,
It says you don't have jam yet.
yes, me too.
You don't have Jam yet?
Yes.
Yes.
Kat mana?
This one.
Jamboard.
Kat chat box ke?
Saya tak boleh.
Teacher, dulu saya boleh buat. Guna.
Microphone off. 5, 4,
Saya boleh je buka.
3, 2, 1. Listen to teacher. If you don't have Jamboard, teacher told you just now, use what? Use what?
Practical book.
Correct. Good job. Okay. So you can explore your Jamboard later. It's okay. Today is the first day we are doing this, so don't worry. Okay. Haris Aiman, I don't know what we are doing. Teacher want you to write about photosynthesis story. Photosynthesis story. Okay, so if you have your Google account, click the one here, the square box here, the square dot here, this one Google.
Teacher, ready now, teacher?
Fahmi, I'm explaining to those who didn't know. Sometimes in this world, there are people who know and there are people who didn't know. So I'm explaining to your friend who didn't know. Please turn off your microphone now. Click here.
I already know how to use Jamboard.
Scroll down. Click the Jamboard. Click the Jamboard.
Pergilah tutup pintu. Saya kelihatan kat luar. Biar je. Siapa nak keluar?
Jaden, microphone, Jaden. Click the plus button here. This one is for new Jamboard. Click the plus button.
Teacher, what?
Plus button here, you're going to have an empty Jamboard here. Okay, so if you don't have your Jamboard, please take your activity book. If you don't have your Jamboard, please take your activity book. If you have Jamboard, you can write. If you know how to use Jamboard, you can do in Jamboard. If you don't have, if you don't have
buku ni. Practical.
yeah, practical book.
Teacher, saya open the Jamboard.
I have Jamboard.
Teacher punya.
Can or not? If you don't have Jamboard, if you cannot open Jamboard, you can write in your practical book, okay?
I have, but
it's
cannot
okay.
open.
Cannot open, it's okay. You can ask. Okay?
Wait.
Your book first.
Teacher, wait. I need to tell something to my mom how to open Jamboard.
Okay. Alright, today we want to do the story of photosynthesis.
My mom don't know how to use.
Don't know how to use it. It's okay, Ame. You can do inside your book, no problem. Okay. So, story for photosynthesis, alright. Teacher just want to see what did you know about photosynthesis. I just want to check what did you know about photosynthesis. Alright. So divide your book or your Jamboard into two like this. Okay. The needs.
Teacher now
The
how
needs.
5 of teacher the date now is what?
Teacher guna Jamboard teacher ke apa?
Kena Jamboard sendiri.
Guna Jamboard sendiri ke atau guna Jamboard teacher?
Jamboard sendirilah.
Sendiri.
Your own Jamboard. Okay, so for those who you don't know what we are doing today, okay, today the one do story of photosynthesis. Right? What is story of photosynthesis? You need to write what is the need of photosynthesis, is the product of photosynthesis. How many needs of photosynthesis do we have? How many? How many? No one remember how many?
I think 3.
4.
4.
Correct. Needs of photosynthesis, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we have 4, right? The first one, sunlight. So you write the answer on your own. The other 3, you write on your own.
CO2?
Sunlight. Correct. What is the full name of
Teacher,
CO2?
you forgot to write date and
Carbon
date,
dioxide.
Teacher,
Carbon dioxide. Yes.
teacher, you forgot to write the date and date. Date and date.
Okay. Okay. Haziq, have you write story of photosynthesis? This one, have you write?
I'm trying.
Write the one that teacher asked you to do first. Date and date we can always add after this. After carbon dioxide. After carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide, I think water.
Water je.
Good
Chlorophyll.
job. Correct. Water. Then chlorophyll. Well done. After that. Be careful. Okay. This is of photosynthesis. Right? So the product of photosynthesis, how many?
Have two je, have two. Glucose and oxygen.
Oxygen. Correct. Good job.
Yes, glucose and oxygen.
Glucose and oxygen. Well done. Glucose and okay, for those who couldn't open your Jamboard, can write in your practical book, no problem, okay? Teacher try to share with you the Google document, hoping that to see you can integrate your idea in form of technology, but it's not working for today, right? It's okay because it's a new thing for you, it's alright, you need some practice.
Teacher, I am done. Now
Done.
what I do?
Zafif already done in your Jamboard activity book.
I do in Jamboard.
You do in Jamboard. Okay. The teacher will teach you how to download. Okay. Alright. How many of you? Okay. Teacher will show you how to download. Don't worry. Teacher will teach you. Okay.
But I didn't follow the sequence of the needs of photosynthesis. Is that okay?
It's okay. It's okay. No
Okay,
problem.
the need of photosynthesis, is it carbon dioxide?
Yes, correct. Carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, and chlorophyll. Okay. The product we have
We
two.
have to
Yes.
download like from App Store or like that.
Ahmed is using iPad, right?
Yes.
Because teacher use anyone use iPad? Anyone use iPad here in this class?
Me.
Teacher.
Teacher,
iPad or a phone? Teacher.
iPad.
okay, did you guys download?
You have to install if iPhone or phone or anything.
iPad you have to install. You have to install Jamboard. I'm sorry because I didn't use iPad. I didn't know. It's okay, Amir. It's okay. Anyone use iPad? Do you have your Jamboard with you? Anyone use iPad and Jamboard? Yes. Do you download? Do you have to download before?
Yes, we need to download.
Teacher, kena download.
Amir. Why are you Amir? We can do it. You can download, no problem.